How to uninstall the YouTube application on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a few ways you can get rid of the YouTube application on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So as you guys can see here, I have the YouTube application downloaded on my device. And as you can see, it has created a new window completely, and I'm not using it on any of my browser. So what you need to do here is simply go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then from here you have an option to uninstall YouTube. What you can also do is open up your settings menu and then simply head over to your apps. And on the left side of your screen, you will see your apps. Click on installed apps and then simply search for YouTube here. You will see YouTube here and you have an option to uninstall. So go ahead and click on uninstall YouTube here and then confirm the uninstallation. Now, if you want, you can remove the data as well. You can delete data from your web browser as well if you want, and then click on remove. Now, after doing this, your YouTube will now be gone, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.